Hello and welcome to another video, and in this video I want to introduce you to a new compact gutter vac that's just coming onto the market. Now this is from a company called Gforce. The website's gforcesystems.co.uk. Now you might not have heard of Gforce before. That's because up until now they've mostly done gutter cleaning as a job. They have been selling machines to the trade, to places like the National Trust and big organisations like that. They have been selling the machines for about 5 years now, but they've just decided they wanted to start selling to the public. This company has spent 12 years now as gutter cleaners. They've got 7 vans on the road just doing gutter cleaning with 10 blokes in those vans. So they know a thing or two about gutter cleaning. All the machines are tested by themselves, so they know exactly what they want, and they've developed them specifically for their needs. So let's have a quick look at the new compact. Now it's a 1700 watt single motor, same as a few of the other machines that are out there, and a 37 litre polycarbonate drum. You've got your 72mm side cyclonic inlet, all made out of aluminium. Very nice fittings there, very sturdy and robust. You have your 2 clips on the sides, and these clips are metal clips, so you've got very little chance of breaking those. The vac has been designed with a 360-degree exhaust port that runs under this rim here, and the reason for that exhaust port is that it allows the air to move freely over the top of your motor, cooling your motor, allowing it to work more efficiently and extending the life of your motor. It also has 2 locking casters, which can be really convenient. Now, one of the things that I really like about it is when you take the head off it. This is something that some of the bigger machines have, but the smaller machines don't tend to have. So inside it has a tungsten steel deflector. Now tungsten steel doesn't rust, so that should stay in fantastic quality for years. And that deflector, if you've used a gutter vac before, you'll probably know that as all the muck and stuff goes into your vacuum, that sticks to your filters, no matter what filter you're using, and you end up having to clean it out regularly with all the mud and slime that's sticking to your filter. With this, it won't stick to your filter. It will go straight in, hit that, and drop straight into the bottom. So that is a really fantastic feature on this. With it, you get your HEPA filter, which just screws on, and your HEPA filter is for dry use. So if you've got really dry, dusty, you use your HEPA filter. Don't use it in the wet because it will just clog it up, but in the dry, using your HEPA filter. And then for wet conditions, you have your blue sponge filter, which me personally I use, especially this time of year, probably 80 to 90% of the time. It's only in the very hot summer when it's really dry that I use my HEPA filter. If you use your right filters, it will extend the length of your motor, so it's definitely worth working out which is the right filter to use. It's supplied with 5 meters of their reinforced hose. Now a nice little feature on this is it's shrunk wrapped onto the hose, so unlike a lot where you have to have a Jubilee clip on, this hasn't got the Jubilee clip on. I know I have caught my hand on the Jubilee clip a few times and I've ended up taping over it, so I've taken nasty chunks out, but you've got your nice metal inlet there to clip in, and works really well. The other end is set up for Gforce's poles. They're carbon fibre poles. Now they are 45mm poles, so they're different to some that you could get. If you wanted this, but you wanted to use your own poles, you can easily get a different size collar to make sure it fits onto your machine. So that isn't a problem. The poles themselves are a really nice pole. My brother's been using them for a couple of years now and he's really impressed. They are a push fit pole. They're not clamped but they are friction poles, so they're just push fit, but they all have a silicone collar on the end, so if you were to drop them and it lands on that silicone collar, it really protects them well. As I said, my brother's been using them for a couple of years now and he is really pleased with them. He says they're still like new and he uses them a lot. I will be reviewing the Gutavac poles soon. They are a cross laminated carbon fibre. So there are two types of carbon fibre. There is the extrusion method when it comes out in a long tube onto a mandrel and then it's cut and dried to length, and then there's the other sort which is stronger, which is the cross laminated. So there's different layers of carbon fibre put on each other at different angles and then all laminated together, and that is a much stronger way. It's more expensive to make, but it is a much stronger pole, so I will be reviewing that very soon as well. Also, hopefully soon I'll be reviewing their big machine as well. They've got a much bigger industrial machine than this. This is just the first one they've sent me. I haven't bought this myself. They have sent me this to use. So if you want to see how I'll get on with it, make sure you keep watching the videos, because I'm going to start using this now, and very soon I should be having a video out telling you exactly how I've got on with it and my thoughts on it. So if you're in the market for a Gutavac, a compact Gutavac, take a look at Gforce. Their website is gforcesystems.co.uk. So pop over there, take a look at their range. As I said, they've got this one and they've got the bigger one, and they've got the poles on there as well. They also have started doing other bits and pieces, window cleaning stuff and soft washing stuff that you can get off the website as well. They do also specialise in inspection equipment, so hopefully coming up soon I'll be also having a look at their inspection equipment for taking a look into the gutters. So I hope you found this useful. If you have, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.